Hi, this is Sushil from Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. In the last video, I explained to you about how can I use VLOOKUP with columns and VLOOKUP with row. In today's video, I'll be explaining you if you have a large data, then how can I use VLOOKUP. So let us see our sample data. So this sample data, you can download it from my description. In this example, I've got some employees names. I have a very huge data here. There are altogether 403 employees, and I've got some location with their gender and with their department. So here I would like to have the employee's name. So I don't want to type it. So I will be using my data validation, which earlier videos I have explained to you how can you use data validation. So just keep a cell pointer here on employee, that is F4. Click on this data option. Come here. This icon is a data validation. Click on settings and list. Source when asking you, you select this full name. Now, if this is a very huge data, if I click and drag, it will take a lot of time. So ensure that what you can do is just click on the first name, that is A4, and press Ctrl, Shift, and down arrow key from your keyboard. So when you press Ctrl, Shift, and down arrow key from your keyboard, till the last name it gets highlighted. That is last name is that 403. Now you can say OK. And then you can just scroll on top like this, use your mouse. So it will come as a data validation here, see. So whatever name you click over here, now I clicked on this person. I want the location, gender and department. Because it's a very huge data I'm having over here. So it's slightly different from the earlier VLOOKUP we used to use. So you just say here equal to VLOOKUP, tab, bracket open, click on F4, that is this F4, name of the employee, comma. Normally what we used to do, we used to select the full table like this. We used to click and drag it. Because it's a very huge data I'm having over here. So if you drag it, then it will take a lot of time. So instead of that, what you do is click on this alphabet A. Employee is in A. So use your mouse. You can see this black arrow comes, click. So when you click over there, you get this A and colon and A again. Second A is then use your backspace remote and type the D. Because I want the department. So this is employee, that is A. Location is B. C is gender and D is department. So it takes from A to D. Then you give a comma over here and then write 2, comma 0. 0 stands for exact match. You can write false also. Close the bracket. After that, what you must do, this starting F is there. You have to lock your row. So you just press that press $ from your keyboard. Press Shift and $ for F kelly. The same thing you do with A also. Click on that A. Use your mouse, click and press the Shift and $. Same thing you do with D. Click on D, use your mouse and press Shift and D, $. By doing this, what happens is I'm locking my row. So now when I press this, once you've done this much, you can press enter. So when you press enter, you get this. According to this name, if I change it, the name is getting changed. So now you have to drag it for the others, gender and department. So just drag it. You can also use like this, Shift and right arrow key you can press and press Ctrl D from your keyboard. Sorry, not Ctrl D, Ctrl R. So when you press Ctrl R, R stands for right. So as you can see that it is showing a location over here. That is why I have written here 2. 2 stands for location, 2. Now your gender. Here I want gender, no? So gender will be 3. So each of this 2 is there, no? Let's remove that 2 from there and write 3 over there. Edit the formula, enter. See, female is come. Your department, this is 1. This is your first column, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. Department will be 4. So instead of 2, edit the formula, make it 4, enter. So now if I change any of the names from here, this list, the entire details should be changed over here. So if you find this tutorial helpful, give a like and subscribe to my channel, Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. My next video I'll be showing you about how to use VLOOKUP with the combined value. So don't miss to subscribe to my channel. Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. Thank you.